New Mexico requires its own official form, the MVD-10009 Bill of Sale for a private transfer. So let's fill out the real form together. Start with the amount, then describe the vehicle, the year, make, model, body type, and the odometer reading. New Mexico's form uses the plate and engine number alongside the vehicle details, so fill in what applies. Now the parties. For a private sale, enter the seller, Anna Baker, with her address, and the buyer, Ben Carter, with his. Enter each name exactly as it appears on the person's ID and the title. Finally, the seller and buyer each print their name and the date. New Mexico says, "This form shall be used to carry out a transfer between individuals, and it must be notarized. So, sign it in front of a notary. Don't sign it early at the kitchen table." This is general information, not legal or tax advice.